I faced the crushing frustration of Fallout New Vegas performance issues on Linux myself, spending countless hours testing every possible solution. Eventually, I discovered a set of reliable methods that genuinely resolve these problems, and I am eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you how to fix Fallout New Vegas memory leak, stutter, and lag on Linux, making your game smooth again. First, we tackle whiny and Proton configurations. These compatibility layers, if not optimized, can cause the game to mismanage system resources, leading to memory issues and stutter. We adjust these settings to help the game communicate more efficiently with your Linux system, preventing resource hogging. Next, we focus on system optimization. Your Linux kernel and graphics drivers must be current. Outdated components create bottlenecks, starving the game of necessary resources. By updating and tuning system-level parameters, we ensure the operating system provides maximum power, reducing overall stress and eliminating lag. Then we dive into game file modifications. Fallout New Vegas is an older game with inherent memory limitations. Community patches directly address these, allowing the game to access more RAM and fixing internal bugs that cause instability and crashes. Finally, we focus on robust memory management. A memory leak means the game continuously requests memory without releasing it, eventually exhausting system resources. Proper system memory setup, like adequate swap space or using cleanup tools, ensures your computer can handle the game's demands, providing a stable environment and stopping the stutter and lag for good.